How to add a promo code on Doordash. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Doordash application, or if you don't have the app, you can go ahead and open any browser in your mobile device and then search for doordash.com in the search bar. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log in to your account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll then be able to find a different kind of dishes you would like to order. Go ahead and select the one that you would like to order, tap onto it, scroll below, then simply tap on add just like that. And once it is added to your cart, go ahead and simply tap on this little icon that is a cart icon, and just like so, you want to go ahead and tap on checkout. Inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on continue to checkout again. And just like that, you want to go ahead and enter your delivery details, your payment method, and scroll below. Then you'll be able to find deals and gift cards. Tap onto it, and then you'll be able to find enter promo code section. You want to go ahead and apply the promo code you have, and once it is applied, you want to go ahead and tap and apply. And if the code is valid, you'll then be able to redeem them. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.